fun video. We're gonna do a flashback 4th of July shirt video. It's a little DIY that was actually Winston's first craft. It was 8 years ago. You were just a brand new little teeny tiny little baby. Rayleigh, Gage, and myself are going to show Winston and Layla and you guys how to make these 4th of July shirts. Are you guys ready? We're just gonna do a little flashback video here. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys have to watch to see how we're gonna make it.
So you guys are gonna make shirts like the ones that you're wearing?
Yep.
And what is this for? What is this on your shirt?
American flag.
That's right.
Yeah, faster than you.
You win.
We need these shirts, paint, and paintbrushes.
Okay, so those are the things that we need, and we have all of our supplies here.
Yes.
Okay, who's gonna go first?
Me. This is gonna be fun. Just handprint everywhere on the shirt, then handprint with the red.
Okay, so we're gonna paint your hand blue and put it
so good.
on the shirt,
My hand's gonna be stained blue.
and then you're gonna paint some stripes. You think you guys know what to do?
Of course, we have to put cardboard under it.
Yeah, you put cardboard in between the shirt so that it doesn't go through to the other side.
So are you gonna make an American flag?
Yeah.
I like painting the thumb, like between
Okay.
the thumb.
It's a very good idea.
I never lived in that house.
Yeah, you didn't ever live in that house.
Only when I was a baby.
Nope, Winston was a baby, then we moved back. You'll see Winston in a second.
Look at it. That was my first question. It's
Listen,
gonna be my
listen
last.
how noisy you are. Oh, it's so cute. Look how adorable you
I have a
are.
little mohawk.
Why are you doing my I know, look at your little tiny mohawk and your little, because babies want to do this with their hand, so it's best to paint the foot. All right, you guys, what do you think? You ready?
Yep.
Some 4th of July shirts?
Yep.
American flag shirts?
Miss Angel's gonna do his foot again.
Winston's not going to do his dirty little foot. He's definitely going to do his hand this time. But if you want to see that whole video, I will link it down below so that you can kind of see more.
Wait.
If you want to see Rayleigh engage in a little baby Winston.
No. Wait. Before we do the Catholic joke, just subscribe, turn on notifications bell so you don't miss another video like this. Also, give us a big thumbs up and even follow my mom's Instagram.
Oh wow, well thanks Layla.
And guys,
YouTube kids. We just found our shirts from Walmart. You could also use an old white t-shirt that you have. If you're going to do this with the baby, you could use a little onesie. That's what we did for Winston.
Baby Winston.
Baby Winston. Okay sis, do you want to put the cardboard in the shirt? I actually think that for yours, but yeah, we should turn it that way.
Because I'm better than Layla.
No, because your shirt's bigger. And your hand's bigger. Darn cute. We're gonna put some blue paint. I love this color. It's so pretty.
I love it too. I was gonna say that. Jinx.
Make sure you get like a thick layer of paint on their hand.
Thick.
Open your thumb a little. Just really get that nice and covered. I'm gonna add a little more. I used to make a lot of handprint crafts with Rayleigh and Gage. Sometimes we would have the paint dry a little too fast. We're not have a thick enough layer. So we want to make sure we get all these cute little fingers, all these cute little wrinkles.
You can see all my
Hold that.
wrinkles.
Okay, ready, Winston? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, down. And then we're gonna smash the fingers in. All right. Okay, I'm gonna hold this down, Winston, then you're gonna pull your hand straight up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's good. I love that, buddy. Nice job. Okay, you go wash your hand off, and we'll paint Layla's little hand.
And with white.
Let's go.
When was mine? Both and
I don't know. We'll have to look and see.
yeah.
It might have been Mother's Day craft.
Mine has a
Ooh,
hole.
nice. Okay,
This
we're gonna
goes
go
in
like
the-
right here. Okay, sis?
This
Ready?
goes in the-
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and just wash your little fingers down.
Shake it.
Shake it off.
You shake it off.
Okay.
Since this is Layla's first day
That's
live,
great. Okay, now you go wash yours. This blue is so pretty. It's called Island Blue. If you want to check that out, because it is a beautiful blue. I got 3 different reds for you to choose from. Winston is going to do the color rosy red. And then you're just gonna do the stripes right across like the kids did. Can you see that where the end of that cardboard is? So we'll do about right there.
Okay guys, I'm back. Don't worry, I wasn't going to the moon.
Okay, do you want to pick a red? Over there?
No.
You want the same red as Winston, or do you want a different red? And remember that it's red, white, so you want a white stripe in between, right?
Right here.
I would maybe, yeah, right there. So cover up your little heel hand. We have rosy red, we have true red, and we have crimson red.
I wish there was a princess.
Lila's gonna do true red. So just like Winston.
Beautiful. Yours is beautiful. Mine is beautiful. Mine is beautiful.
What?
Give me a American flag.
Yep.
Yeah. So if you haven't watched
You can pull your shirt over like that so it's a little more straight.
I'm a little pig.
You go right over.
Oh, maybe this is bigger than mine.
Look at the edge.
That's a really long one. Guys, look how good I do.
So good.
So good, man. So good.
Nice.
Wait, where do
These
I-
are looking good. That looks incredible. Serious.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! These turned out so great, you guys. I love them. So they're still wet. We're going to let them dry. I will include some pictures with the kids wearing them, but you guys did a great job. I love them. You couldn't have done better. If you make these with your kids, I would love to see pictures. That was one of my most very favorite things about making this video last time, was so many of you guys sent pictures in, and that makes me so happy. So if you make them, let us know, let us see them. We hope that you all have a happy 4th of July, that you're safe, and that you get to spend time with friends and family.
Yeah. Make sure you don't get burned by the...
Right? Make sure you don't get burned
And
by
the
fire.
sprinkles. Do
Yeah.
not put your hand where the fire is.
Are you pretty excited about the
Yeah.
fireworks? Let us know if you liked today's video and if you would like to see more flashback videos like this. I think that it would be so much fun to do. Would you guys like to do more flashback videos of the crafts that I did with Braylee and Gage?
We should do
When they were
that.
even littler than you guys.
Can we do the Halloween one?
You want to do a Halloween one? Heck yeah! I think it would be so fun to recreate so many videos. I have so many. So let us know what you think and if you would like to see them.
We gave her those with
They were
this
just like
small,
that
and
small.
when it was just this big.
You guys are so silly. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Wow!